Today I'm going to show you how to receive money-related notifications in X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you want to stay updated on payment activity, monetization updates, or any money-related alerts tied to your account. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the option right away, click on More. This will expand the full menu and give you access to additional settings. Once the menu opens, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, security, notifications, and more. Next, click Notifications. This section controls how X sends you alerts and updates. After that, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find different notification categories that you can customize based on what you want to receive. Now click Email Notifications. This is the area that controls what X sends directly to your email inbox. Here, scroll through the available options until you find money-related notifications. When you see it, simply toggle it on. Once this setting is enabled, X will start sending you money-related email notifications so you can stay informed without having to check manually. And that's it. You've now turned on money-related notifications in X. It only takes a moment, but it can make it much easier to keep track of important updates. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.